just go to File menu and then click on Open Local File. And from here, you will have to probably go to your downloads. And you can see I downloaded a bunch of times. I'll just click on the one of those, and there it is. Okay. And for this assignment, what I want you to do is to work through. Notice that there's, if I zoom out a little bit, there's kind of one section, 2, 3, 4. And if you look at our layers, we have practice 1, 2, 3, 4, and work it in that order, please. Kind of builds upon it. And you'll notice that there's 3 different dots here. Means you click and you drag to the blue, and then there's the yellow where you go. I'll go through this right now to make more sense. So we want to click on our pen tool. And pen tool, this is what graphic designers use. And so developing the skill will give you the skill that graphic designers use every day. And this is how you can make some custom graphics and vectorize different images. So I want to click on that dot, and this is just a horizontal line. So I can just kind of eyeball it. But if you hold on Shift, it forces you to go either horizontal, vertical, or to 45 degrees. So this is a good trick to have. So I'm going to hold on Shift, click, hold on Shift, click. You notice if I hold on Shift, it doesn't line up. So I have to let go of Shift. I'm just going to click, click, and click. And you notice once I complete it, the fill goes in. The fill's right here. I can change this color to anything I want, say red to match that Superman. And that's cool. Now I can do the star if I want, same thing. Here if I shift doesn't work, so I'll click shift for the horizontals and so on. You notice that the fill starts right away. I don't like that, so I'm just going to click on this eyeball so it's not visible. And then you can continue working your way. I'm just really quickly hold shift and you want to click where you started, and then it completes it. Again, if that's not the right color, you can change the color to anything you want. Cool. Let's skip over that. For this one right here, curved lines. So what you want to do for here, you want to click on the red and hold. Okay, it's not click release, it's click and hold, and I'll bring what this is called handles. This curves your path. I want to bring it all the way out to the blue. Okay, you'll notice that right here it says click, drag handle, and release. Hold shift. So they say hold shift because it forces the handles to be horizontal. So I want to hold, drag up to the blue, let go of the mouse before you let go of shift. So let go of the mouse. Now I let go of shift. And I go down here, click on the red, drag it down. I click and hold, drag it down. I can hold on shift to make it vertical. Let go of the mouse. Now let go of shift. And I don't like that fill. So I want to do this. You want to click and hold. We'll let go there. Click and hold. Let go. Again, I'm not clicking again on the blue. I'm just letting go. Let it go. Okay, that's a few years old. Okay, so let's go to this Batman, same thing. Okay, so I made a sweet looking circle. I can make it red or whatever shade of red you want. Batman's the same thing. Okay, so here's a new thing as well. This is straight curved corner lines, all right? So click in the center of each red, drag handle from red to blue, hold Alt and drag handle to yellow number. It's a lot of words. Okay, so I click, let go, I click and let go. I can hold shift to make it horizontal. Click and let go. Here, what I want to do, this is a sharp corner, right? This nice sharp corner. If I click and drag there and let go, and I go down, click and drag, I mean, it doesn't really follow the path. And notice how that's curved. That doesn't look good. So I'm going to go undo, Control Z to undo. And what I want to do right here, I want to click and hold to the blue. And notice how I'm zoomed in. That helps as well. I'm still holding on the mouse. And I want to hold on Alt, and that breaks those handles. It kind of changes direction. So I'm holding on my mouse, I'm holding on Alt. If I let go of Alt right now, this is what happens. Okay? So I want to bring it up to here, hold on Alt, swing it over here, and let go of the mouse. Now I let go of Alt. Okay? So it takes a little bit of coordination. This one right here is straight across, let go on the blue. Here's another sharp corner, so I want to click and hold on Alt, change directions, right? And let go. And notice how Notice how this is a nice sharp corner. This one right here too is another sharp corner, right on. So now I can finish this up by click and hold, drag it up to the blue, hold on Alt. Now I let go of the mouse. Now let go of Alt. Click and hold, let go of the mouse. I click, I hold on the mouse. Now I press Alt and still hold it on the mouse. Now I let go of the mouse. Now I let go of Alt, right? So make sure you let go of the mouse before you let go of Alt. Otherwise that won't work. And so on. So I now, this is just splendid. Splendid. And so I can continue doing the rest blind without any help. And yeah, try that out. When you're making your lines, try to make it all in one. Don't make them all separate paths. You want it all to be one path. And that's good for the laser cutter and for the vinyl cutter and all that stuff. It needs to be continuous. Yeah. Okay, so then after that one, you will go down to Superman, and then finally there's a spider right here, Spider-Man. He's one of the best superheroes. This one here, there's, you're kind of on your own. One tip I'd give you is to try to do it with the least amount of joints or nodes as possible. Joints and nodes is any of these points where I clicked, okay? If I click on subselect, you'll notice that these are the joints. So try to do it with as little joints as possible. Okay, cool. Well, I hope that helped. Hope you're able to work on this. Make sure you save